Okay. Oh, sorry. in this video we're gonna show you how you can improve your lights on your dirt bike. Really easy. I bought these from a local store. It was somewhere near 50-60 euros, and you can get a lot of cheaper from my eBay, but we like to support our local stores, so yeah. Anyway, so cheap light, 50 euros. I don't know what kind of light mask do you have on your bike, but you know, this KTM 2018 light mask is, I don't know, can it be much more easier to place that light on this mask? Because if you look down here, there is already a place for that light. Usually the lights like this come with a mount like this. So this whole package go down there and boom, you got yourself a light. And that enduro bike have battery because it has already the lights, but if you have a dirt bike with no battery at all, with no lights at all, you can still do this light mask because you can use batteries from a drill what you have. We have here Milwaukee power tools, and with this small battery, this light will burn almost 4 hours. With this battery, that light will burn near 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, something like that. And you can place this battery pack somewhere behind the mask or on the air filter box, and yeah, you have good lights on your bike. Let's start doing the template for the plastic. Place the light somewhere in the middle. Then draw again. This part we need to cut off now. And this plastic is, there is a scratch and stuff and dirt, but we're gonna use the Uber tape after this and make it look like that, like better. But now we get the plastic piece ready. It's a tight fit. There is scratches and stuff like that, and we're gonna make it look good now. We're gonna use Uber tape 2.0. This is actually brand new tape. We have now new factory doing this tape for us. So the new tapes will be better quality and it will be cheaper. So everybody wins. And look at the package. Oh my God. Now we need to modify this mask a little bit. You see down here, we want to make this surface between these two dots flat. So it's really simple. Like that. Can we still? Yeah, it's tight fit. Like that. Yes. Now there is this small shake on the lamp, and it's like the worst for your light. So we're gonna take the shaking away with these zip ties. We're gonna drill a hole here on this cooling plate. And I have already tested this light and I know that this is gonna work. So put this really tight. It doesn't shake anymore. And after that, you can use the Sikaflex or some sort of glue and cover these little caps what we have here. But if the plastic is tight fit, it will stay there almost without no glue or whatsoever. But because we have this awesome, have you seen a tool like this before? This is cool. This is one of the favorite tools what we have here, because you can fix plastic with this. So this tool have these small pins or whatever these are, and it warms these super hard. Release it, it will cool down. Like that. Now I will prepare these wirings for our use. I don't know what you call these, cable connectors or whatever. You can place this battery wherever you want. Of course, if you put it on an air filter box, you have to make these wirings much more longer. But this battery could be somewhere here. Of course, you have to do some sort of switch here. Just connect this light on the stock light wirings. So it's pretty simple way to build better light on your dirt bike. Well, here is our light. I don't have the stock light with me, but I guess that this light is maybe 3 or 4 times better than a stock light. It's much more brighter and the light is white. The stock light is like yellow. We can always say that it's not like the best looking lamp, but it's not the point. It's not the point, you know. The point is to do good off-road freeride enduro light. wish I had that snow bike. Shit, fuck. In the summer times we come here with the boat, grill and do some barbecue and drink some beer, maybe, not much maybe. But anyway, thanks for watching this video, and this light is pretty cheap and pretty awesome. You should try it.